Chiama truco! Ah!
Look how fluffy. It's supposed to look like that? It's so big. Ow.
And a middle name for you?
D.
What's that stand for?
These nuts.
We finna go to CP.
Let's go! Happy birthday to you.
You should go pick it up.
Baby!
You guys are no fun.
Just making sure.
Subscribe and like this video on 3 seconds to make this sad cat happy. 3, 2, 1.
Cheers. Another one. Cheers.
Même toi, t'as pas de conviction.
Ah, je suis en panique. T'es mort. Ah non, mais non. Fais gaffe, fais gaffe.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh yeah, bro. That's amateur shit.
Babe, you look so cute. I love it. Look at you. Oh, you're so sexy. You're so sexy. I got.
Hey guys, so my friend has been talking to this lady for a while now, and look what I just saw.
Fica embaixo, mano. Fica embaixo aí. Ei, desgama! Ei, diacho!
What'd you say?
The old one. 87, 89, 91. Get the new gas.
Do you think that that's the year that the gas was from?
Yeah.
A little bit to the left.
My left or your left?
My left. A little bit. Small step to the right. Right there. Perfect.
Hey, please don't hurt me. Hey!
Still high.
One.
TikTok.
What are you doing?
You nasty bitch! You nasty bitch!
Okay, so today we have parent teacher.
Oops.
Oh my god. What the? Oh.
Oh! During church, after church.
God! God, you come through now! Come through!
Daddy, what you doing? What was you just doing? Daddy, what's in your mouth?
Try it.
Excuse you. Auto potato.
Hi.
What you doing?
Reading.
Did you know that your hand can't be 12 inches long? Because that would make it A foot. Your mom said she'd never tell.
A llama? He's supposed to be dead.
Nah, but you're adorable.